Hello, my name is Muhammed Örnek. I am an architect and a researcher at Istanbul Technical University, Faculty of Architecture. I am here to present you my research on using virtual reality as a learning platform for architecture and other design-related disciplines. In this research, I want to talk about some virtual reality software and application which can be used for artistic purposes like sketching, drawing, three-dimensional modeling, and spatial experiencing. Then, I want to present some visuals about the virtual reality applications which can be used in architectural education. Finally, I will conclude by presenting the potential and opportunities of virtual reality technologies for using in architectural design education. I know everybody will know what is virtual reality in here, but I want to make a definition for exposing the point of my view about this research. Virtual reality is the computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using spatial electronic equipment such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. At this part, I want to introduce some virtual reality applications which has potentials for architectural education like Gravity Sketch, Tilt Brush, Blocks, and Codon. Gravity Sketch is an initiative 3D design platform for cross-disciplinary teams to create, collaborate, and review in an entirely new way. Tilt Brush lets you paint in 3D space with virtual reality. Your room is your canvas, your palette is your imagination, the possibilities are endless. Blocks, you can create models in virtual reality environment. That means no more mind tricks to create real volumetric objects on a two-dimensional surfaces. Finally, Codon is a three-dimensional sculpting and modeling software with an intuitive interface that allows even inexperienced users to create 3D models in virtual reality and desktop faster than with any other more traditional alternatives. It's like a clay modeling in virtual environment. In this title, I want to present some applications and videos about the virtual reality applications which can be used in architectural education in terms of design parameters, model making, decision making, experiencing, sun shading analysis, and design and planning purposes. In architectural design, everything starts with sketching. Sketching is an essential and crucial tool for architecture and other design-related disciplines. We use sketching for expressing our ideas or brainstorming or discussing, and even we are collaborating with other design stakeholders. So it is not possible to imagine an architectural design process without sketching. There are many sketching applications are available in the virtual reality environment market, and these can enhance and leverage the sketching process and can increase the communication abilities, maybe compared to real-world settings. In addition to freehand sketching, virtual reality technologies allow us to create technical sketching that can be used for surface modeling, as same as CAD drafting software such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Rhino. Later, we can use this technical sketch and drawings to create three-dimensional solid conceptual or structural models of architectural proposals. Moreover, It is possible to revise these three-dimensional models and annotate on them as same as real-world environments. Mostly virtual reality technologies can serve for immersion and experience purposes for architecture. From this aspect, there are successful examples and applications on using multi-software for real-time design development purposes. For landscape architects and designers, it is crucial to know the conditions of topography and need to work on a base map for developing design proposals. And survey preparing is time and labor demanding process. Thanks to photogrammetric models and virtual reality technologies which enable landscape architects to create base map models via UAV and work on these models for design development purposes as a reverse engineering method. Model making is another essential tool for architecture education. It allows us to understand the scale of structures compared to other buildings in neighborhood and for humans as users of these buildings. Virtual reality technologies can be used for making rough, three-dimensional solid models to mimic the roles of physical models in architectural design studios. These models can help us to scale and the perception of design proposals. Another important point of architecture education is sharing the design with others and getting feedback about the design as known as jury evaluation for design disciplines. It is so important to get feedbacks for design from faculty members or other students for design development process. For that purpose, we organize jury evaluation meetings during semester to experience the design proposals and discuss about the principles and design decisions to find optimal solutions. Virtual reality may be the best platform to experience design proposals in an immersive way. In virtual environments, it's also easy to present any kind of details and material textures, which takes important role in architecture. It is not possible to present the depth of field and space perception in conventional methods like two-dimensional visual renderings and animation. Virtual reality allows us to improve interactivity with the virtual environment itself and switch between design alternative and decisions. And observe the architectural perception in different environmental conditions like day and night or winter and summer. In addition to architecture, urban planning discipline also focuses on using virtual reality. S3, which is the biggest GIS, it means Geographical Information System, company called 3VR application to use virtual reality for urban development and planning purposes. To navigate in city models as tabletop models in an immersive and interactive way, and can navigate to and present different design alternatives and scenarios in the same virtual environment. Moreover, this application can simulate the sun shading and cast shadowing in a scale, and it can be used to teleport to a location and experience the place in human scale. Or you can navigate in the city model as bird view, or experience the visual effects of different urban development scenarios like shadowing. Virtual reality also changed the way how we create architectural survey plans and models. By using LiDAR, laser scanning, and photogrammetric modeling techniques, we can create three-dimensional point clouds and navigate these models via virtual reality headsets. Moreover, we can use reverse engineering software to create survey plan and revelation models by using three-dimensional point clouds and mesh models as base maps. You can see an architectural survey model through a similar process. To conclude the research, virtual reality technologies allow us to experience different immersive environments and to design them as architects. Architecture and other design-related disciplines can benefit from opportunities that arise virtual reality technologies. As the COVID-19 pandemic situation emerged, the importance of such technologies became more vital than ever. This emergency may result in the evaluation of the architecture education in which it is much more convenient to adapt to these technologies compared to other disciplines. This research presents the virtual reality tools and applications which have potential for architectural education use. From the perspective of an architecture educator and architecture research, virtual reality technology has the following potentials: design thinking and communication tool in pre- and early design process, collaboration tool for leveraging the design development process, advanced surfacing modeling tools for biophilic architecture and landscape design, and integrated GIS systems for urban planning and interactive decision-making for redevelopment strategies. Reverse engineering and surveying tools on LiDAR 3D point cloud data, and immersive architectural visualization tool for ultra-realistic presentations. We can use virtual reality technologies for different scales of design to do more. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions, you can ask me for now or you can send me an email. Thank you.